YouTube, it's your boy Von from Quon&Von, and I am back with another video. Before I get into the video, if you feel generous enough to like the video, then like the video. If you feeling generous enough to subscribe, then subscribe. But without further ado, I'm finna get right into the video. Y'all can tell by the title, I will be showing y'all the mods on my car, the mods that I do have on my car now. I got the car like this. I did not do this myself. You get what I'm saying? And I'll be telling y'all what I probably would do to it. It won't be much, but as you can tell right here, off the rip, that's one mod right there. If you look, matter of fact, if you look, you can look and see that it's chipping a little bit, but it was silver at first. And, the owner before me, he got it black, so I think it looked good, and I think he did a great job with it, actually. The second mod is the rims. I think it's a good addition to the car. I think everything played out perfect. You get what I'm saying? This is the regular 5-0 sign. You get what I'm saying? Then you got the rims again, like I say. It's only 3 mods from what I've seen so far. And like I say, this mod right here, if you know how Mustangs come, then you know that that is normally silver. And if you look closely, then you can tell that it was silver as well. Other than that, man, everything else is what it is. Like, those are 3 mods. But it's cold out here, so I'm finna get in the car. And I'm gonna see y'all then. Alright, y'all boys, so now that I'm back in the car, the mod that I would do to it is probably wrap it. Other than that, I wouldn't, and probably put a little more tint on it. I would have put some stars in the roof, but you know, it's a drop top, so I don't know how that, I don't know, it's, you know, it's a convertible top, so I don't know how that that'll do. So I just said, nah, I ain't gonna do that. I'm gonna just do that with a whole new car. You get what I'm saying? But I probably will wrap it. I wouldn't cut the pipes. I know a lot of people would, but I wouldn't cut the pipes due to gas. You know, gas is very gas ain't cheap. Let me say that gas is not cheap. So I'm not cutting the pipes, because I heard that your gas, I don't know, but I heard you like lose gas. Like, gas is quicker to come out once you cut your pipes. So I'm not cutting my pipes. But what I would do is, like I said, I would wrap it. I think wrapping it would be cool. I think wrapping it would be straight. It'll do nothing to the car. I want to add some stars though. I really do. But like I said, this is it's a convertible top, so it just wouldn't make sense. I don't think it would to add stars. You know what I'm saying? So I know this is a short video, so I'm gonna just add a little POV that I did days before. You get what I'm saying? So I can get my 8 minutes. But if you like the video, then like the video. If you feel generous enough to subscribe, then subscribe. You get what I'm saying? And I'm out.
All this traffic. You didn't think of that, did you?
What?
Get off on Wood Road easy. You wouldn't have been in all this traffic.
Yeah, you ain't lying. What's all that down there? It's like road work. It's like road work, them lights and stuff down there.
Yeah, probably. I don't know. It might be something.
What's on? You signed it? That truck hard. That truck over there, I said it's hard. Yeah. I think that's what it was. I don't know. I ain't gonna lie.
That's what it is, they supposed to be to stop making them.
The white truck?
Oh, no, I seen that yellow truck.
Oh, yeah, no, not that one.
Now them Hummers, they supposed to be stop making them.
Yeah, I ain't seen them in a minute. Like new Hummers, I ain't seen them in a minute.
Yeah, they said they was gonna stop making them. I don't know if they made a big motherfucker, but anyway.
It was a nice little truck back in the day.
They would, but damn gas goes.
That's a fact right there.
That's what I'm talking about.
That's a fact. That's a fact.
Oh, that's school bus.
No. It was some other stuff up there too.
Oh, it probably on up the hill. It did look like more flashing than that, though.
Yeah. Text.
Your mom.
Y'all must plotted against me to get me to take you there, huh?
I'm taking up something else.
Tell I love her.
Okay.
Oh, it's driving, Grandma, because I'm looking up the street. It's still like I see it flashing. Yeah.
She said she loves you too. Yeah, first say that's another name of that cop place now.
Yeah, it ain't Atlas no more.
Jewelers Auto Auction.
Yep. Oh, it's still an auction though. This ain't Atlas.